Please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. The covert resistance team, led by my friend Finn, has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nomini shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous on Pucara.
This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General. Fire.
Sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Good. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nanda. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Red 5, report. Red 2, check.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Gray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shoot you, Blue!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location for our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Get out! On blue. Unit 1, throw them on each other. And shoulder, shoulder, side by side. Good, you'll be on red. Door open. First, followed by orange and gray. Stand on your color, side by side, shoulder to shoulder. Remember the color beneath your feet to be supporting for your territory. Stormtrooper, they're all yours.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return the Faceless personally.
No, George.
Green, orange to the right. Red and blue to the left, green and orange to the right.
We have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Both coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck?
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner. Give a reason and touch it rock breach.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Hello, Juliet. Detachment to level D.
There they are!
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's back in a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods are below us. Wait, why are you going up? I'm saying down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the ramp.